Removing an object from a photo is easy, like every app does it now, but making it look like whatever object you are removing was never even there, now that is a different skill. And most people are stopping at step 1. So today we are breaking down the best tools in 2026 for removing objects and people from images, but I'm not just talking about what works, I am talking about the tools that produce the best, most natural, and clean results. We're going to be covering Adobe Firefly and Photoshop Web. And by the end of the video, you'll know exactly which one to reach for, depending on your situation, and each are designed for different levels of complexity and different levels of control. So whether you are a casual user that just wants to clean up some travel photos, or a content creator who is working on any of your social media assets, or a marketer touching up any of your product images, well, this video is for you. Now, before we jump in, let's chat about what makes different background removals good to help you in your decision making. Now, the reason a lot of background removers look fake is because they don't actually know what is around the thing you are trying to remove. It just deletes the pixels and tries to fill in the gaps, and you can definitely tell. The best object removal tools do two things. They use AI to reconstruct the background in a way that makes sense with the surrounding context. And they usually give you a way to clean up and refine those results afterwards. Because AI is great, but we all know that it's usually not perfect on the first try, and having the ability to tweak edges and textures and details is what separates a professional looking result from something that looks very clearly AI edited. And that is what I'm going to share with you guys in this video. All right, first up, the generative remove in Adobe Firefly. And this one is honestly very underrated for object removal. What makes Firefly different is that it is prompt-based, which means instead of just painting over something and hoping for the best, you are telling AI what you want to happen. So you select the object or person, and Firefly uses that as the context, plus its understanding of the surrounding image to fill it in realistically. To use it, you can head to Adobe Firefly Web, open the Generative Remove tool, paint over what you want gone, and Firefly reconstructs the background around it. This is really powerful for things like removing a person from a travel photo where there's a complex background behind them. Firefly is not just going to guess at what the sky or the street looks like, it's going to reconstruct it in a way that makes sense. So some great use cases are removing people from busy scenes, deleting logos or text overlays, or removing background objects that are competing with your main subject. For fast, clean results, it is genuinely impressive. Now let's chat about Photoshop on the web. And this one is for the person who is looking for accessibility and speed, and who does not want to have to install anything. You've got quick AI cleanup, and that is built right into the browser. So you can use the generative fill tool in the left-hand toolbar. Just brush over the object and the AI fill will kick in automatically by selecting the area that you want to remove and applying the feature with no prompt. The remove tool is for larger objects, and it uses AI to reconstruct realistic backgrounds, and it is extremely good at this. It is great for those straightforward tasks, cleaning up distracting elements in a background, removing something small and simple, and doing a quick cleanup before you post. Photoshop uses AI to automatically replace the selection with newly generated background that blends seamlessly with the surrounding image. And the fact that you can do this entirely in your browser makes it super accessible. Also, with the new AI assistant tool only on web, you can type a prompt to remove an object or a person. And then here is where Photoshop separates itself. Once the AI does its thing, you have full manual control. Selection tools, edge refinement, texture cleanup, all of it. So if the AI gets 90% there, but the edges aren't perfect, you can go in and fix it. That combination of AI speed and manual precision is what makes Photoshop one of the most powerful options on the list. All right, let's put them both together because I want you to be able to look at this and immediately know which one to reach for. Okay, let's do a quick breakdown. If you want the fastest, most accessible option, Firefly is your best friend for context-aware removal. If you are working in a browser and you want a streamlined editing experience, Photoshop Web is going to be your best option because it is designed for speed and accessibility. The key thing that all of these have in common is that they're using AI to understand the context. So they are not just deleting pixels, which separates them from other tools. Okay, so to wrap this up, the best tool for object removal in 2026 are the ones that balance speed and realism. Fast is great, but looking like it was never there is even better. Adobe Firefly and Photoshop, whether you are using the web or desktop version, are genuinely going to be your best and strongest options for context-aware, realistic object, and people removal. And now you know exactly how they're different and when to use each one. If this was helpful, drop a comment down below letting me know which tool you are going to use first. And if you have a specific use case you want me to test, let me know down below because I would love to hear it. And subscribe if you want more of this type of breakdown, and I will see you all in my next one.